Hey, I'm David from Power Probe. I am here with my buddy Henry. Henry is a key cog in our R&D department, officially the research and development product manager,
Something like that.
whatever we call it
Changes
today.
day to day.
What do you do though?
I get to handle the fun bits of all of our product development. So I don't even know how to describe it, really.
The cool thing is pretty much start to finish in any fancy way you want to say that.
That's
Henry's
really
been involved in that. So how long you been with us?
Almost 2 years now, and it's been a fun ride every step of the way.
Yeah, if you've seen some of the new products we brought out in the last 2 years and some of the stuff coming in the next year, Henry had his hands all over that. Appreciate having him on the team.
It's been cool.
We joke when we were talking about the title. We ask Henry too a lot more than that. If you've called in for a tech support question, you might have talked to Henry. If you've called in with a product idea, chances are you talked to Henry. So we get around a little bit, but one of the things that gives you so much knowledge when you're talking to customers is what you do outside of Power Probe. What do you got going on?
Oh, quite a bit. That's honestly what I like to tell people about is I get to develop the tools during the day, and then I get to bring them home and use them all night. I build a lot of cars on the side. I've got a first generation Lexus IS with a 2JZ swap. It makes just north of 600 wheel. Building a 93 Mazda RX-7. We off-road. I built plenty of other stuff in the past. It's just mainly a JDM guy. Wanting many motorcycles, my wife turns me down. Gas prices are up, so it gets better gas mileage.
That's
I should
right,
do
Amanda.
it. Yeah, see. But anyway, no, it's great because I get to listen to the street, hear what they have to say, and I get to use the tools and really get to get that firsthand experience on how to make each and every one of them better or make new tools in the process. So it's good fun.
Selfless plug for the social media channels.
Oh, I have a YouTube channel. It's Henry JZX, and I post weekly of the different stuff that I get to do. A lot of Power Probe stuff makes its way on there, and shameless plugs, vice versa.
There you go.
So it works out pretty nicely.
So having people that work on cars on staff is a big part of what we do. We always talk about trying to make a technician's job easier, trying to gain some efficiency, and the best way for us to do that is to go out and get our hands dirty and try and live what they're living and understand a little better. If you got questions about any of this stuff, call our customer support line. We still have real people that talk on the phone. We have ASE certified technicians that can help you with any questions, or maybe just call in and ask for Henry and see what he's doing today.
Believe it or not, we enjoy it quite a bit. It's a good fun. It's a nice break in the day, and if I can stop to talk about cars, I'll do it at any moment.
Best part of the day.
Thanks,
a
guys.
lot.